Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to force turn off and restart your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. Hey there, before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do reviews, tutorials, and also talk a lot about passive income. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so now. I promise you'll get a ton of valuable information from me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so now. It's surge.tech. And there's going to be links and resources to all the information that I talked to you about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. All right, so this is something that you may want to do if your phone is maybe frozen on a certain screen, it's stuck, and you're having trouble navigating around the phone and getting out of that certain screen. So pretty much this is how you turn off your Note 9 so that you can restart it, so that it can close all the apps and start working normally again. So this is what you're going to do. Once you want to restart your phone, you're going to hold volume down and the power button. After a few seconds of holding these two buttons, the power off menu will appear, which you can select power off or restart. But if it doesn't appear, you can just continue to hold the power button and volume down and the phone will automatically restart. So let's go ahead and do it now. Volume down and power button. Like I said, the power off menu will appear, but you can just continue to hold the buttons until the phone powers off. Once it powers off, you can let go and the phone will restart automatically. And there you go, the phone has booted back on, so it has been restarted. So now your phone should be unfrozen and you should be able to continue to use it normally. If that didn't fix it and your phone is still acting up, you may want to perform a hard reset. We have a video on that as well, but this is just the soft reset, which is just a quick way to restart your Note 10, Note 10 Plus. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. And as always, peace.